Do you want to be more efficient? Do you yearn for days where tasks that once took you hours, now take just minutes? Have you ever dreamt of a world where you could talk to a machine just like you talking to your friends? Have you envisioned AI not just as a tool, but as a guide, as your personal assistant, pushing you to learn, grow, and thrive? Do you crave a fresh approach to learning coding? Are you ready to put aside those text boxes and step into a world of practical, hands-on experience? Then welcome. This is your destination. Here you will learn by doing. You will understand that practice makes perfect, and that's how you will become a master at coding. Ever wondered how to harness the power of OpenAI? How to create those auto-lisps that would make your work a breeze? Have you pictured yourself writing your first script, developing automated solutions to those real problems that keep you up at night? Do you see yourself mastering languages like Python and Java, but in a way that's targeted and focused on solving your unique challenges? If so, you are in the right place. And this place, our community, is growing every single day. Do you want to use Dynamo in Civil 3D to go from writing a simple script like this to creating complex automations that transform the way you work? Or maybe you dream of being a master of GIS, automating tasks and data analysis with the power of Python scripts? Or graphical modelers? The same old tools, the same old approaches, they won't cut it anymore. The future is now, and you need to be ready for it. Think about this. Why use Excel for your calculations all the time when you could write a script that does it for you? You can learn something new that would open closed doors. With coding, you have the power. You are the magician, the hub, the master. This is your arena, your place to share, learn, and above all, thrive. The vision for this channel is big, and the path to a brighter future in tech starts with a single click. So go ahead, hit that like button and subscribe.